I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Aston Martin Vantage versus F-Type. We will explore their distinct characteristics, helping you decide which sports car best suits your preferences. The Vantage boasts a handcrafted feel and a potent engine, while the F-Type offers a compelling blend of performance and value. We'll delve into their design philosophies, performance figures, and overall driving dynamics to give you a clear picture of each vehicle. When it comes to performance, both cars are exhilarating. The Aston Martin Vantage, with its 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, delivers over 650 horsepower, offering rapid acceleration and a distinctive exhaust note. The Jaguar F-Type, especially in its supercharged V8 variants, can exceed 570 horsepower, providing a more immediate, visceral punch. The Vantage leans towards a refined, powerful grand touring experience, while the F-Type often feels more nimble and aggressive, particularly on twisty roads. Inside, the Aston Martin Vantage exudes luxury with its high-quality materials, extensive leather, and meticulous craftsmanship. Every detail feels premium and bespoke. The Jaguar F-Type's interior, while still upscale, adopts a more modern and driver-centric approach, often featuring digital displays and sporty accents. Both vehicles include advanced infotainment systems and various driver assistance technologies, ensuring a connected and safe journey. The choice often comes down to a preference for traditional luxury versus contemporary sportiness. Ultimately, deciding which car is better depends on your priorities. The Aston Martin Vantage offers exclusivity, bespoke luxury, and a powerful grand touring experience, often at a higher price, starting around $194,000. The Jaguar F-Type delivers thrilling performance, a sporty aesthetic, and excellent value, with prices starting around $79,000, making it a compelling choice for many. Consider your budget, desired driving feel, and brand preference. For those seeking a more accessible yet potent sports car, the F-Type shines. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.